Yeah, squish the seals.
And here we go, very healthy breakfast before our trip. And this is our room. We just arrived, and I must say, Cromer is really nice. So far, so good. I love all these little details, all these cute lamps, and all these nice fishes. And yeah, just can't wait to explore more. It's a tiny one, but it's very lovely, and it's got as well the sea view, which is always a plus. Like, look at this view. Isn't this nice?
Blue sky, blue sea,
Yay.
everything that you could ask for at the beach.
Yeah, exactly. So we just had a lovely dinner slash lunch, and it was really nice. We had a truffle crab salad. Oh my god, it was so amazing! Like the best thing I've had in ages.
Seaside goats.
I think that's very unusual. I was like, 2 seconds, they're just lying. Where are the goats? And look at this. It's like... Today we went to this blockade harbor and we saw so many cute little sails. But it's a little bit short, to be honest. Like, I thought it's gonna be so long, you know, like South in the end.
Oh yeah, well I think Southend was a record holder.
Yeah, but it's just like so short. What do you think about it?
Hey, it's a sweet little pier, I think. I'm quite happy once it, and you get a nice view of the beach if I turn around slightly. All those beautiful little Victorian houses by the beach. Yay! Not a bad view from the restaurant, eh, Vicky?
No bad at all.
Not bad at all. Oh, that's a good traditional meal, eh?
Yeah. It's coming! So this has been Cromer, one of the best places I've ever been. I've seen so many amazing animals, ate some outstanding food, like the crabs here, absolutely mwah. Seriously guys, you have to come here and try them. So have you ever been to Cromer, guys? If yes, just comment down below what have you seen and what did you like the most. Good, yeah, like, subscribe, all of that, yeah, you can find the button somewhere there, yeah. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time, bye.